Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Revision Part 8. This video will present revision work on measurement and temperature. Now I'll have 3 slides with questions and the answers are at the end. As always, pause the video at any time so you can answer the questions and then you can check how you went using the last 3 slides, because that's where I've put the answers. Put a tick under the square with the largest area. Next question. Put a tick under the circle with the smallest area. Number the following pictures from 1 to 4, where 1 is the hottest and 4 is the coldest. Write H near the hot foods and C near the cold foods. Next slide of questions. How many little blocks make up each of the following objects? Tick the container which is the most suitable for holding a large amount of water. And the final slide with questions. Tick the shapes that have the same area. And the final question. Number the following objects from 1 to 4, where 1 has the smallest mass and 4 has the largest mass. So it's up to you now whether you go back and start answering the questions. I will now go on to the last 3 slides which have the answers. So here we go. That's the first slide with answers. The next slide with answers. And here is the last slide with answers. So I hope you enjoyed that revision, and as I said, we'll keep giving you some revision questions as we finish each new topic.